In this video, we will see how to import blog posts from Google Blogger site to other Blogger site. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. First, you need to back up your Blogger content and next import it into the Wordpress site. First step, back up your Blogger content. First, log into your Blogger account. Next, click Settings tab in the Blogger dashboard. Next, click Other link under Settings tab. So, under Import and Backup section, click Backup Content button. Next, in the Backup Content pop-up window, click Save to your computer button. By default, all the pages, posts and comments associated with your Blogger site will be downloaded onto your computer in a .xml file. Second step, import content into the WordPress site. Head to your WordPress site. In the dashboard, click Tools tab and next click Import option. Next, click Install Blogger under Blogger section. Next, click Run Importer link. Next, upload the .xml file from computer here and click Upload File and Import. Next, you can select default Blogger author, or you can assign all the Blogger posts to the admin or author of your choice in WordPress site and save the changes. Next, we can head to each individual blog post and edit the categories here that you like to keep or remove them. The labels on Blogger posts are converted into categories on WordPress. Next, you can add tags in the tag box for SEO and promotion. And finally, update the changes before reviewing the changes in the WordPress post. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment on the video if it was helpful. Thank you.